Hi, I'm Ray. Today we're in the garden. It's been a lovely day, but we're going to sort out the tomatoes. These are the tomatoes that we sowed from a shop bought tomato, and they've been doing okay. They've been sat in a nice window. So if we take a look, they're getting a bit on the leggy side and they're looking for the light, but we can sort this out by repotting them. So let me show you what we're going to do. So I'm just filling up a few of these pots with some multi-purpose compost, and they're slightly deeper than the tray we're using now. There we go. And then we're going to have a look at our seedlings, and we're just going to pinch one, and we're going to dig it out using a spoon. We're going to take this one, there we go, quite a nice thick stem on this one. There we go. And if you can see closely, all the way down has these little hairs, and they're all roots. So we can bury this down quite deep. So I've got a trusty dibber, and I'm making a hole in our pot. I'm making it big enough for the root ball to go down, and then it can go right down to the bottom of the pot as low as we can without breaking the stem. And then we can just push the compost onto the stem, and there we go. That's one tomato potted on. Find another one. Make a hole, and we place it in as deep as we can. And we push the compost back in. And we're just going to do that all the way along with all our little tomato seedlings, giving them a good push, bury them as deep as we can, and all these little hairs will grab hold and produce more roots. Little baby one, push them down. There we go. So we've got quite a few here. We can see what the roots produced. Quite an established root. Looking really good. Deep as we can. And fresh, firm. So look at that. Quick job done, very pleasurable growing your own tomatoes. From a tomato seed, from a shop bought tomato. There we go. Give them a drop of water. And not forget a label for all of our, and we've still got quite a few seedlings left, and we're going to pot those up using the rest of the pots. Job done. So here we have a nice tray, 12 potted up tomatoes. So, thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I do some more, and we'll watch these tomatoes grow. That'd be wonderful. Thank you very much. Cheers!
Thank you.